In today's fast-paced digital world, freelancing has emerged as a viable career path for many professionals seeking flexibility and autonomy. However, the competitive nature of freelancing demands continuous growth and development of skills to thrive. Upskilling and professional development are integral to elevating one's freelancing career, enabling freelancers to remain relevant and excel in their chosen fields. To begin the journey towards upskilling, freelancers must first assess their current skill sets and identify areas for improvement or diversification. This involves analyzing market trends and industry demands to determine which skills are most sought after. For example, a freelance graphic designer might notice an increasing demand for skills in user experience design and decide to expand their expertise in that area. Once key areas for development are identified, freelancers should seek out reputable resources for skill enhancement. Online platforms such as Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer a multitude of courses that cater to various domains, ranging from technology to creative arts. These platforms provide accessible and flexible learning opportunities, allowing freelancers to learn at their own pace while balancing work commitments. Networking and collaboration are also crucial components of professional development. Engaging with other professionals in one's field can lead to valuable insights and opportunities for growth. Joining online forums, attending virtual conferences, and participating in webinars are excellent ways to connect with peers, share experiences, and learn from industry leaders. Moreover, mentorship can play a significant role in guiding freelancers through their career journey. A mentor can provide personalized advice, share expertise, and offer support in navigating challenges. Seeking out experienced professionals who are willing to mentor can open doors to new opportunities and facilitate professional growth. In addition to acquiring new skills, freelancers should also focus on refining their existing expertise. Staying updated with industry standards and best practices is essential to maintaining a competitive edge. Regularly reviewing current projects, seeking feedback from clients, and engaging in self-study are effective ways to ensure one's skills remain sharp and relevant. Time management and self-discipline are critical aspects of professional development for freelancers. With no structured work environment, it's essential to create a schedule that allocates time for both skill enhancement and client work. Setting achievable goals and deadlines can help maintain focus and productivity. Ultimately, the journey of upskilling and professional development is a continuous process that requires commitment and dedication. By embracing lifelong learning, freelancers can elevate their careers, enhance their service offerings, and achieve greater success in a competitive freelance market. Adapting to change, proactively seeking opportunities for growth, and cultivating a network of support are keys to thriving as a freelancer.